Hi guys, it's Danny with Aladdins Window Tinting, and today we're bringing you a quick how-to video on headlight restoration. So real quick, what we're going to do is show you a couple things to look for before you get started. We'll show you the supplies we're using. My hope is that if this is happening to your vehicle, or perhaps you want to make a couple extra bucks on the side, that you can do so. So let's check it out. If you come in a little closer, we'll see a little bit of hazing, a little surface oxidation essentially. Usually it's going to be on the flatter surfaces that are facing up, and that kind of stuff can get fixed. When the light or the plastic has started to yellow, that's basically beyond repair. Usually you want to buy a new light at that point. So yellowing is not going to get taken care of. Come on over here and I'll show you what I'm using. It's pretty simple. All we're doing is wet sanding the light, and then we're going to rebuff out the plastic. So we've got soapy water, we've got 1500, 2000 tape to tape off around the headlights, some towels, and then something to buff it out afterwards. Some regular buffing compound and a little pneumatic buffing rail, or angle grinder rather. And that's it, so let's get started. We're taping it so we don't sand the paint, and then just helps with cleanup and things like that. It's easier to tape stuff off by like sliding it in there. So if you use the side without the adhesive and go between the body and the light, you can grab onto it that way. You don't have to push down super hard. It makes removing it a little easier. So 1500 first, soapy water. Towel's just gonna create a little bit more of a buildup behind it so you get an even sand. Your fingers can create little humps. So it looks all, you can see how milky it is, and that's all the surface oxidation that we're getting on. Normal for it to look hazy after you start sanding it, and that's all gonna come out with the higher 2000 and then with the rubbing compound. All right guys, so next step after you've done 1500 and then 2000 is just a little buffing. We're just gonna use, takes out 1200 grit and finer, and we just got done using 1500 and 2000, so this should easily take that.